Welcome to Agritronics Private Limited, the pioneers of agricultural drone technology in Pakistan. Since 2019, we have been committed to revolutionizing farming practices and empowering farmers with cutting-edge solutions. At Agritronics, we strive for excellence in everything we do. We offer a comprehensive range of services to meet the diverse needs of modern agriculture. Agriculture spray drones are transforming the way we approach farming. These advanced drones provide precision spraying, ensuring that crops receive the exact amount of nutrients and protection they need. This technology reduces waste, lowers costs, and boosts crop yields. We offer a wide selection of spray drones for sale, designed to meet various farming needs. From small to large-scale operations, our drones are equipped with the latest technology to maximize productivity and sustainability. Agritronics is not just about selling drones. We provide comprehensive repair and maintenance services to keep your equipment in top condition. Our skilled technicians are dedicated to ensuring your drones are always operational and efficient. We understand the importance of skilled operators. That's why we offer drone operator training courses. Our training programs equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to operate drones safely and effectively. Our team at Agritronics is passionate about bringing innovation to agriculture. We work closely with farmers, understanding their unique challenges and providing solutions that make a real difference. This technology is changing agriculture in Pakistan. By adopting agriculture spray drones, farmers can achieve higher yields, reduce costs, and contribute to sustainable farming practices. The future of farming is here, and Agritronics is leading the way. Join us in revolutionizing agriculture in Pakistan. Experience the future of farming with Agritronics Private Limited. For more information, visit our website or contact us today. Agritronics Private Limited. Innovating agriculture, empowering farmers.